In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on a third-generation Hyundai Accent in just about 2 minutes. Whether you're replacing the bumper, removing the headlights, repairing the front end, or performing other maintenance, this guide will help you do the job quickly and without unnecessary complications. First, open the hood. Along the top of the front bumper, you'll find 4 10mm bolts securing it to the vehicle. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove all 4 bolts. This is the first step before moving on to the side mounting points. Next, we'll work on the sides of the bumper. On each side, there is one 10mm bolt that connects the bumper to the front fender. Remove this bolt completely. Now move down to the inner fender liner. You'll see several plastic clips holding it in place. Carefully remove these clips and pull the liner back slightly to gain access to the bumper mounting tab. Once that's done, gently pull the side of the bumper outward. There's no need to use excessive force. The bumper will easily slide out of the retaining guide once all the fasteners have been removed. Here's a closer look at how it comes out. Repeat the exact same procedure on the opposite side of the vehicle. After both sides are released, move underneath the front bumper. Here, you'll find several additional bolts and plastic clips securing the lower section. Remove all of them, making sure no fasteners are left behind. Once every bolt and clip has been removed, the front bumper can be safely pulled away from the vehicle. If your Hyundai Accent is equipped with fog lights, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors before completely removing the bumper. This will prevent any damage to the wiring. And that's it. As you can see, removing the front bumper on a third-generation Hyundai Accent is a quick and straightforward job that anyone can do with basic tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which vehicle or repair you'd like to see next.